What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Your Boyfriend." All right, hopefully y'all get the gist of that, man. You know what I'm saying? Trying to keep it YouTube friendly. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it, man.
Just back up here. Let's all be calm. Please, let's all be calm.
Okay.
Yeah, let's all be calm.
She fired a live round through my truck.
You're damn right it is.
I tried to restrain her and grab the weapon. I did nothing.
Okay, just have a seat. Both of you just have a seat for me right now.
I want my cigarettes and my
No, buddy, come here.
I'm just sitting down.
Okay, just have a seat right there.
I'm just sitting down.
I know.
7-1 you said 4?
We're about to go to jail. You know that, right?
Hang on. Both of you just come over here and...
We're supposed to be vacationing right now.
I understand, but I need to figure out what's going on because she's messed up and you got a whole bunch of blood on you. You got a whole bunch of blood on you. So we're going to say, do you want medical attention?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I don't want my on this truck.
We're going to deal with the truck later. Just have a seat for me.
I want a cigarette now.
Come on.
I need you to calm down. I need you to work with me, please.
I am not going to calm down. I want my fucking shit out of his goddamn truck, and I want him out of my fucking life.
I need you to work with me right now.
Sorry,
Please just...
I am sorry, I'm not going to work with you.
Well, I
My
need you to...
fucking face hurts.
I understand that.
You fired a live round off of my truck.
Please stop. 7-1 Central, can I get fire rolling this way? Non-emergency. Okay, if it makes you feel better, do you want to just have a seat inside and I'll come talk to you?
No, I don't. I want my shit out of his fucking
I need you to work with me. Okay, I'm going to get your stuff, but please... Yes. And they're saying one person shot around into a truck, and there's one person here with a super bloody face, and another person with a bunch of blood all over him. So,
Whatever I can do to help you out, sir.
okay.
You can look at my tag, man. I'm a veteran. I'm not.
I understand. I'm just waiting. A partner's going to come. That way we can try and figure out what's going on. Which truck is yours?
The gray Tahoe that's running over there, right behind the building.
Okay.
She
This
fired.
happened-
She fired a live round through my truck.
Okay. Did this?
My dog is in my truck.
Okay, ma'am. Can you just hang out over here for me, please?
We have a room here, man. If we can just please just let us talk this through, man. We'll be all right.
We're far beyond talking this through, buddy. I mean, you guys are both covered in f***ing blood, and buddy, she's got a busted up face. You're saying a gun was shot? I mean,
Yes, sir.
that's a little bit beyond.
Well, can we
just,
please just look?
who has
look
the
this,
gun?
man?
Where's the gun at right now?
I have no idea. It's her gun.
Where's the gun at right now? I need to do my due diligence, so we're just gonna wait for a partner to come, and then we're gonna get everything. Listen, I have fire and evac coming to come check you out.
No,
Okay.
She's fine, man.
All right. Ma'am, will you please just stand out here for... Damn it. Ma'am, I need you to work with me. No, I need you to wait out here with me, please. Okay. Stand out there. Fire's coming to check you out. Okay. I need you to please work with me. Thank you. Do you have an ID with you? Do you have an ID with you?
Yeah.
I have no idea where mine is. I lost my wallet earlier, sir.
Okay.
I wish I could help you out with that.
Hang out
But I'm
with him. Ma'am, please stop wandering around. Okay. Please, come over here. Do not move from this spot, please. If you move from this spot again, we're going to sit you in the back of my police car so you stop moving. All right. Can you please start from the beginning and tell me what happened?
I don't even know.
You don't even know. Well, I mean, then start from what you can remember. How about that?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know.
All right, you're sitting here with a super bloody face, so you know something happened.
Can I get my shit out of the truck?
Not until you're done talking to me, no.
I don't know what happened.
All right, well, I mean, you know something happened.
Nothing happened.
Oh, that's a lie. How did this incident occur?
I just need to get my shit out of the truck.
Well,
Nothing happened.
I don't think you understand how this is going to work. That's not
Can I
how
have
this
some
works.
water?
You're going to hang out for me for a second. Where is the gun? How about that?
My gun is in the passenger seat.
Okay.
And if you will let me go over there, it's empty, I will get my dog.
That's their car.
Do not touch the dog.
We don't care about the dog right now.
I do.
We need you to work with us.
And I'm working with you.
You're not. You're doing the opposite.
Don't touch my fucking dog.
What happened?
That's not your dog. That's Blasco. That's my dog.
What happened today? Because right now all we have is
That truck. Whoa, 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 whoa. Do not approach the truck, sir. It says that very clearly. Do not approach.
There's not a goddamn thing that happened.
That's a bold-faced lie. Right now the only thing we have is you shooting a gun. So do you want to go to jail tonight? Is that what you want?
Whatever you have to do.
All right, whatever. You don't care, I don't care. Maybe you'll be more cooperative. What happened tonight?
Dude, we got into an argument and she went crazy. She grabbed her gun and fired a round off.
Where did the round end up?
It went through the floorboard, man.
She just shot in the.
I guess so, man. If we can walk over there, please, officer.
Hang on.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, wait a minute. Before you start.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm about to have shoulder surgery.
Stop. Stay over there. Stay over.
I'm the one that did it. I'm the one that did it.
Well, now you're both going.
Wow, you're gonna rough me up like that? Are you a new guy? I did nothing.
Yeah, you get a bat wheel charge now.
What?
Yep.
You know what charge?
Battery on a law enforcement officer.
I didn't do anything to you.
It turns out you can't push an officer's hand away when they tell you to stay away.
I didn't touch your hand. I didn't touch your hand.
That's a lie. You want to check her out for me? I'd appreciate it.
I didn't even
Sit down here.
I didn't even touch his hand.
Sit down.
I did not even touch your hand. Are you an FNG?
Nope. I'm tired of dealing with you, though, that's for sure.
Are you an FNG?
Nope, just tired of dealing with you.
Because I didn't even touch your hand,
Okay.
dude. And this will go to court because I did not
That's
even
fine.
touch your hand.
I'm going to clean your face, okay? We can just stop bleeding a little bit, all right?
I don't want you to touch it.
Okay, well, then you're going to the hospital, and they're going to do it there. So.
I didn't
And now they're going to
touch
charge you at the hospital. So
Charge
there you
me
go.
for
You
what?
They're going to charge you for the medical treatment you're about to get.
You guys gonna take her out?
Yeah. Have a seat.
Push me one more time, and your ass is gonna have a lawsuit.
Yeah, whatever. Get in the car. I don't f***ing know. She won't talk, and I don't know what he had to say.
Well, she started, yeah, I did it. It was me when we started arresting her.
Well, I arrested because she started charging over.
Right,
And I
right.
told her stop, and she f***ing knocked my hand
Which is-
out of
yeah,
the way.
100% of it. Yeah, I get that.
But, like, so before that, I didn't have anything, except for her maybe discharging a f***ing gun in public. So,
I mean, you got the Glock sticker. I mean, she's admitting there's a gun in there. I
Yeah.
didn't see it, but
so now we have to deal with this and figure out what we're going to do with a potentially hostile dog.
yeah, very much a hostile dog. It's a big boy.
Yeah.
If he's not arrested or something, we can get.
No, he's got and he's got a warrant.
Oh,
So they're both. What?
I can't breathe.
No, you're staying in the car.
You gotta clear.
No.
You gotta clear his blood off.
You had the opportunity, and what did you tell him?
You gotta clear.
No. You're
No.
waiting until you get to the hospital. No, you had the
No,
opportunity, and you
have
refused.
to clear this fucking blood
What
off
should
of
you
my
have done when the
nose.
firefighters stay
Dude,
in the car?
you have to clear
Stay
this blood off
in
of
the
my
car.
fucking nose.
I guess you should have let the firefighters do that then, shouldn't you?
Clear the blood.
Get back in the car.
Off of my
We're
nose.
gonna take you to the hospital.
Okay, I'm rescinding. I want them to do that.
No, you're going to the
People always want to play games, man. This is not a joking matter. This ain't a joking matter. You don't want them to touch you, and now all of a sudden you messed up because the blood is probably drying, and it's thickening up in there, so it's making your nostrils aren't necessarily cleared because you need it blown out and cleared out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. You think it's a joke, man? Shit ain't a joke.
to the hospital now because we have to get you medically cleared.
Breathe. I can't
You have a
breathe.
mouth right there.
I
That
cannot
you're using plenty.
breathe.
You have a
out
mouth.
of my nose.
Breathe through your mouth until we
I
get to the
cannot
hospital.
breathe out of my nose.
There's a female coming to search you, and then we're taking you to the hospital. Stay
I
here.
cannot breathe out of my nose.
Turn
you
around.
don't understand.
Stop.
Why are you
Stop.
doing this? I can't fucking breathe. Can't breathe out of my mouth.
Use your mouth.
Yeah, and that's dry. That's fucking dry. Ow! The handcuffs are way too tight. Way too tight.
Stop moving them.
No, then they're way too tight.
Stop.
Then they're way too tight.
She don't have nothing on her, bro.
Well, she barely doesn't have the
Okay,
keys
well-
either, so now we got to figure that out.
Well, I've been a bad boy. She need to come arrest me. Pat frisk me down. Pat frisk me. Okay? Okay, baby. Come pat me down. Pat me down, sweetheart. I've been a naughty, naughty boy. But anyway, yeah. She, I ain't gonna lie, man. The veteran that's sitting down over there, in the back scene, you gotta get away from her, man. That kitty cat can't be that good for you to be crashing out over this. She is a nut job, okay? You need to get far away from her as possible. She can't, it can't be that fire. It can't be that fire. Ain't no way for you to be putting up with a chick like this. Nah.
You don't have nothing on her though.
Okay, well, we still have to check. All right, she's good.
You're gonna stay there. I'm gonna fix these handcuffs to make sure they're not too tight, and you're not gonna move when I'm doing this. Do you understand?
Why am I going anywhere?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
I do.
Okay.
And I am not.
Fire already come?
Yes, and she refused everything that's
I
on.
did not.
They said, hey, let me clean your face, and you said, no, I refuse.
I want to go get the dog. Babe, why are they doing this? He hit me.
Oh, now you want to talk.
It's the car.
All right, well, thank you for that. All right, have a seat, please. Please have a seat.
Damn, why you guys shove me in the car? I'm getting the car. God damn it.
If you don't mind, please let somebody come get my dog in my truck, man, please.
That's fine.
And that's
It's
my
easier
truck.
than us taking the dog, so
Can I please have a smoke, man?
I don't have any.
I got him in my truck.
Brother,
You guys-
that's our whole problem.
Yeah, you don't want to get in the truck because the dog's in the truck.
And we can't get in the
But
truck.
can I please walk there?
Buddy,
I can get
we
into the
can't-
truck.
how?
I got the key fob in my pocket. I've been trying to tell you guys that.
No, you haven't,
The key
buddy.
fob is in my pocket.
No, you have not. Then why were you so worried about her having the keys? You have the way to get into the truck.
Yeah, she had a way to get to that pistol too, man. She's scared.
No one's going in the truck except us because, again, there's a gun in there. I mean, I guess just tell me about whatever happens with the rest of this. Just fill me in on it. I have to take her to the hospital. You have to go to the hospital before you can go out to the jail, or else the jail will refuse you, and then we're going to the hospital anyway. All right, Kathleen, let's go.
Where? Ow! Ow!
Sit up.
Don't do that.
Sit up.
I'm trying to sit up. Don't pull me up. Damn. Listen, I got your 6 all day long. But not what you do. That's bullshit.
Don't want you to have my 6. Walk this way.
You don't want me.
While Kathleen was medically cleared at the hospital and taken to jail, the male suspect back at the scene informed an officer of his story. He says that he and Kathleen were traveling back to their hotel when she became irate and began arguing. She became so enraged that she began to strike the male. She then took out her firearm and discharged it into the passenger side floorboard. He stated that after she discharged the firearm, he began to strike her in an attempt to remove the firearm from her possession. Kathleen was charged with battery on a peace officer, battery, discharging a firearm from a vehicle, and resisting, obstructing an officer without violence. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Now this call.
Wow. Okay. Listen, this is John, man. This is John. You know what I'm saying? Midwest Safety. John is in the building. Officer John, man. But anyway, man, if y'all want to hear what he got to say, you know the link is in the description box. You know the link to all the original videos is always in the description box, man. So this is a crazy case, man. Ain't no way that kitty cat can't be that good for you to be putting up with that. Hell nah.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.